in this example, first we have to find average, next median, and at the end mode. How we do this? When we need to find the average, what we have to do? First we have to add this whole decimal numbers which we have given. Next we have to divide the sum by the number of numbers in the set. In this example we have 4 numbers, so we have to divide our sum by 4. And this will be our average. So let's do this. First we have to add these decimal numbers, so we have to remember to align decimal point. So we have 8 decimal point 7, 6 decimal point 0, 7, 3 decimal point 8, 2 decimal point 14. We have to add this whole decimal numbers. We have to keep decimal point in the same column, and we add like we add whole numbers. What else? We have to take down decimal point exactly in the same column. So what we have? And what else? Because we have here empty spaces, so we can always fill these empty spaces by zeros. So we have 7 plus 4 is 11, so we have to write 1, and 1 we add to next column. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So we have 7, and 1 we add to next column. So we have 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 6 is 15, plus 5 is 20. So we got the sum is 20.71. Now we have to do long division. We have to divide 20.71 by 4, because we have 4 decimal numbers for which we have to find the average, and this will be the solution. So divisor is whole numbers, so we can set this long division 20 decimal point 71. So how many times 4 goes to 20? 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. We don't have to write the 0. What next? We have to take up the decimal point exactly in the same column, and we have to take down next digit. So we have 7. 7 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtraction. 7 minus 4 is 3. Next we have to take down next digit. So this is 31 divided by 4. So this is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 31 minus 28 is 3. Because we didn't finish long division, so we can always add zeros to our dividend. It doesn't change the value of our number when we add zeros after decimal point and last digit. So we take down next digit. So we have 30 now. Divide by 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtraction. So it will be 30 minus 28 is 2. We will have to take next digit down. So we have now 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So we finish long division. We got 0 in our remainder. So average will be 5.1775. This is average. What next? We have to find median. And how we add the median? First we have to write our numbers in order from smallest to the largest. So how we do this? First we check the whole number. We have 8, 6, 3, 2. So it's very easy. The smallest is 2. So first will be 2.14. Next number is 3.8. Next is 6.07. And the last will be 8.7. We have our numbers from the smallest to largest. And next we have to check if there is odd number of numbers in the set, the median is middle number. Odd number. We have how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 numbers. 4 is even number. So when we have even numbers, what we have to do, the median will be average of the two middle numbers. So average of these two middle numbers we need to have. How we do this? We have to add these two numbers, and because we add only two numbers, we have to divide by 2. So we have 3.8 plus 607. When we don't have any number, we can always write 0. So 0 plus 7 is 7. 8 plus 0 is 8. Decimal point we copy and exactly in the same column. 3 plus 6 is 9. We find the sum. So now we have to divide 9.87 by 2. And we will find the average of these two numbers. When we have the average, this average will be the median of our 4 given numbers, decimal numbers. So we need to set long division. Our divisor is whole number, so everything is okay. So 2, 9, decimal point 87. How many times 2 goes to 9? 4. 4 times 8, 2 is 8. Subtraction 9 minus 8 is 1. What next? We have to take up decimal point exactly in the same column and take down next digit. So we have decimal point, and now we have 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Subtraction, so it will be 0. Next we have to take down next digits is 7. So we have 7 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtraction. So we have 7 minus 6 is 1. What next? Because we didn't finish long division, our remainder is 1. So we have to add extra zeros to our dividend. It doesn't change the value of our number when we add at the end 0. And now, after decimal point, so we have to take down the 0. So it will be 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So we finish long division, and the median for our 4 given numbers, what will be? 4 decimal point 935. This is the median. And what else we have to find? We need to find the mod. What is the mod? When we have to find the mod of set of numbers, we have to first find the number of numbers that occur most often. In this example, every number is different. Every number is different. So, if every number is different, what it means? We don't have the mod. So we can write solution no mod. This is my solution.